what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Brock Go Fast channel. Today we're going to do something super quick for you guys. I'm going to install some 20mm spacers. Finally found some. Our problem was last time that I had 15mm spacers, and with the BBS wheels that are forged OEM, they just don't fit, the pockets aren't deep enough. So I was lucky enough to find a good set on one of the forums. Someone was selling some Perrin 20mm spacers, so we're going to get those on and just going to give you some quick tips, hints, and show you the easiest way to probably do this and quickest way to help you out. So let's get started. All right, so I've got the 20mm spacers ready to go. They're sitting here on my driveway since that is a used set. Now what I like to do is get them all prepped. I like to use some brake cleaner just to clean them all off, make sure there's no gooch on them. So just give them a quick spray. This will get any of the nastiness or dirty stuff through the threads. Let's spray the bolts just a little bit, because I know the previous owner used a little bit of Loctite on there. So we just want to make sure we get anything off that could cause us any vibrations, any dirt. It just doesn't hurt to give them a good spray. There you go. So now we're going to let these dry and get on the install. All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to break loose the nuts on all four corners. You just want to make sure you do this so it's not in the air and you forgot to do it, because then it has to come right back down. So we're going to do this the easy, quick way. I'm going to break all 20 lug nuts here with my 19mm. I use the one with the soft nylon on the outside so I don't scratch the wheels. So we're going to do it, show you on this one, show you how to put the spacer on, just do it ×4. The car does have the parking brake on and it is in gear. And then I'm going to have my wife come out and keep her foot on the brake pedal when it comes to the fronts so they don't move and we can torque them how they need to be. So let's get started. And I like to do this in a nice cross pattern. It makes things nice and even. There you go. That's one side. Now do that 4 times. And then we'll take the wheel off, we'll get it a lift in the air, take the wheel off, put the spacer on. All right, let's get the car jacked up. Now remember, we only need it high enough to get the wheel off the ground. Bam. Now I'm going to use this very lightly, just like this. I don't usually like to use power tools on my wheels, but with the spacers and doing this, I've learned it's quicker. I've broken everything as far as broken the bolt loose. This is just a nice, easy, quick way to slowly do that. I cut my hand here right under it, drop the bolt, or drop the lug. Nice and easy. Again, we're going to do that in that cross pattern. Real easy. Now, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stick my knee here. That way it stabilizes the wheel. There we go. Put these where you can see them. And as you see, my knees hold the wheel onto the hub. Now we're going to gently, top and bottom, just pull them off. Make sure you don't hit a brake caliper. And set them somewhere safe. All right. Now that you have the wheel off, kind of inspect everything, make sure everything is good to go. I like to hit it with a little bit of brake cleaner as well, just to make sure it's cleaned off when I put the spacer off, because I want the best contact patch that we can get. So this will dry real quick, and we'll get the spacer on. All right, I don't know if you can see this, but this is the Perrin spacer. As you can see, they're awesome. 20mm, but it actually tells you to do 88 pound-feet of torque, which is brilliant because it's always hard to forget that. So we've got our spacer nuts here. We're just going to put this on like so. I like to hand start all of these in the same star pattern that we do here. don't want to feel any resistance. This is why I don't normally use power tools, because you want to be able to see, you got it here, it's seated properly. I am going to just use this to get these started, and I'm going to use them very gently. There you go. And the minute I get any resistance is when I stop. That's it. Boom. Now we're going to torque these to 88. So I have my torque wrench here. I'm going to unlock it. Let's do it. Make sure it's on foot-pounds and not newtons, because that will get you. All right. There's an 80. 88. We are going to lock that in place. We are going to use our 19 that we have here. Now you're gonna get a nice butt shot. That's the best way to do this here. Let me make sure that fits in there. Hey, guess what? That doesn't fit. So I guess we'll be using this one. Well, crap. Now I have to go get another skinny 19 that fits my torque wrench. Although, I'm pretty sure without the sleeve, it fits. So, we're gonna go sleeveless. Now we're gonna torque each one of these in the same star pattern. Let me move the camera so y'all can see. Booyah! No more booty shot. Just be careful, because obviously it's very close. I'm very gentle. You don't want to hit your car, scrape your car. And when you hear the click, stop and do that star pattern again. There you go. Now by doing this, it is tightening it evenly. Now that I've got it all clicked, let's do it one more time just to double check. And make sure that the wrench is on the lug exactly, because you don't want to strip these. There you go. Now let's get that wheel back on. We're going to put the sleeve back on. Boom. And we're going to torque the wheel to 88 as well. Best way I've found to put wheels on is use your legs. Here we go. Now I can't find that wrench or that socket that I had. Where could it be? Did I sit on it? Boom! I'm gonna put the lug in here and get it started. If I can get it on there. Hey-o. I'm gonna hand start these. Use your legs to balance the wheel. Just get it hand started, and then do the one exactly across from it. That way it seats the wheel a little bit better. Now I'm going to do what I did before with this, very gently. Actually, I'm going to start all of these by hand, because the last thing you want to do is cross thread these, because it will make your life hell. Just make sure you get no resistance. There you go. There we go. Now we're going to torque the wheel. I am going to leave it at 88 because I believe the manual says 87, I believe. I like to go a little bit tighter just because I know the Subaru lug nuts aren't that great. They're pretty easy to just come right off. We are going to switch to probably a longer stud with an open-ended lug nut for track use. So that'll be coming up soon here. So all I'm going to do is tighten these and we'll lower the car. And then you just do this 4 times and you're good. Again, star pattern. There we go. First wheel done. Let's lower it. Boom. So do that 4 more times and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching Bronco Fast. I appreciate it. I hope this helps you. If you got any questions, please comment below. Please subscribe. I look forward to doing these videos all the time, especially during quarantine, because, hey, it's work and work on cars. So have a good one. I appreciate it. If you got any comments below, please comment, subscribe, share it with your friends, and let's grow this channel together. Thank you. As you can see, those spacers look good. 20 mil spacers from Perrin. Came out awesome. Boom. Look at that. That is perfect. There you go, 20 mil spacers on the RA. Hey everybody, it is time. I want to thank everybody for subscribing to the Bronco Fast channel. It's starting to grow and I appreciate that, and I can't thank you all enough. So thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing my videos, thank you for watching my videos and commenting on them. I'm having a lot of fun here, even during quarantine, to be able to do this. I've got our names in the hat for the subscribers here, and our whole trackHERO hat here. Got a bunch of names in here. Just let's see here. We got Brett Crowther, we got Kevon, we've got I Go Fast, we got DeMarco GC8, we've got Ryan, we've got Demon Child. So we are going to do the drawing for the trackHERO t-shirt as a thank you to everybody. So I'll get with the winner as soon as we're done here. And thank you. Subscribe, please. Every bit helps. We're going to do more giveaways because it's all about giving back to you for supporting me. So here we go. The first drawing, it will be, oh gosh, drum roll, Steve Rook. So, Steve Rook, congratulations, man. You just won yourself a brand new trackHERO shirt. I'll message you on YouTube, and we'll get together here, and I'll get this shirt out to you. Since I'm in a good mood, I'm going to do another drawing just to give it another chance, because, again, I can't do this without you guys, and I appreciate your support. So here we go, drawing number 2. Let's get those mixed up. And we have Import Walt. So Import Walt will get a trackHERO t-shirt. So congratulations, Import Walt. Congratulations, Steve Rook, on winning the trackHERO subscribing contest. I'll put this out here. I'm going to message you, and I'll get you your shirts here soon. Again, I want to say thank you. Got some more parts on the way. We were able to order a Cobb 1300cc injectors, a Cobb AOS. We ordered the Cobb EBC controller, and we also ordered the Cobb Flex Fuel kit. So that will be here on the way. I can't wait to get these installed. I'm excited. More stuff's going to happen to the RA, and we're going to get it ready for the track here as soon as everything opens up. So again, subscribe. Thank you so much, and we'll be doing more giveaways. Guys, congratulations. I'll get these to you, and I'll be talking with you soon. Thank you so much.